The Greedy Crow. Once upon a time, there lived a crow in a beautiful forest. Now, this crow was very greedy, and he always kept an eye on others' business. He was liked by no one in the forest. One day, a crow found a piece of meat on the ground near the lake. He picked it up and flew to the top of a tree. While he was sitting on a branch of a tree, a kasay-kasay passed by. She was carrying a dead rat and was flying very fast. The crow called to her and said, "Kasay-kasay, where did you get this dead rat that you have?" But the small bird did not answer. She kept on flying on her way. When the crow saw that she paid no attention to him, he became very angry. He again called out, "Kasay kasay, stop and give me a piece of that rod, or I will follow you and take the whole thing for myself." Still, the small bird paid no attention to him. At last, full of greed and rage, the crow determined to have the rat by any means. He left the meat he was eating and flew after the small creature. Although she was only a little bird, the kasay-kasay could fly faster than the crow, so he could not catch her. While the crow was chasing the kasay-kasay, an oak happened to pass by the tree where the crow had left his meat. The oak saw the meat and at once seized it in his claws and flew away. Although the crow pursued the kasay-kasay for a long time, he could not overtake her. So at last, he gave up his attempt and flew back to the tree where he had left his meat. But when he came to that spot, he found that the meat was gone. He was almost ready to die of disappointment and hunger. By and by, the oak which had taken the meat passed the tree again. He called to the crow and said to him, "Mr. Crow, do you know that I am the one who took your meat? If not, then I will tell you now, and I am very sorry for you." The crow did not answer the oak, for he was so tired and weak that he could hardly breathe.